One day, I came back home and my head hurt like it was going to explode. My knees were weak and I was shivering all over. The next day, I woke up with a fever. My whole body was in agony. I went to the doctor and got medication. My fever did subside, but guess what? It ain't over. I started coughing like crazy. It wasn't some normal cough, but I sounded like a witch at the bottom of a well. I went to school and my cough tortured me like a permanent curse. I went back to the doctor, but the meds did absolutely nothing. I think the cough will stay with me forever.